Welcome to my class, Simple Stencils and Masks, Images from Patterns. I will guide you through the basic concept of what is a stencil and what is a mask. And I will talk about how to make them quickly, and we'll go over some interesting printing techniques that work marvelously with stencils and masks. Hi, my name is Nina Khashchina, and I am a Ukrainian-born American illustrator, graphic designer, and sketchbook artist living in California. In this class, I will share how I use stencils and masks in my sketchbooks to create compositions that are filled with interesting, expressive textures contained in elegant forms. I will share with you how you can complete your sketch and add little details and points of interest. I will talk to you about mixing this technique with materials like gouache and stamps and crayons and markers, and as a bonus, I'll share with you how I reuse the detritus of this work to create multiple variations on a theme, and how I add all of this to my sketchbooks. Let's go!